What if you could recreate those exact gel looks inside DaVinci Resolve with nothing more than a few nodes? In this video, I'll show you how to build a gel simulation setup using just 4 nodes. By the end, you'll be able to instantly recreate gel colors like Amber Red, Blue or Congo and reuse them forever as a PowerGrade. Let's build this step by step. We're only using 4 nodes, 1 serial node and 3 parallel nodes inside a mixer. Keep your timeline open and build this with me. First, add a serial node, call this Shadow Highlights. This locks your deepest blacks and brightest whites in place, so the gel effect doesn't muddy your image. Now move to the primaries, click on log wheels and then decrease the shadow value and increase the highlight value to your desired amount. Next, add a parallel mixer. The top node is called Details, the middle one is named Gel and the last one is named DCTL. I kindly ask all of you to name every node to ensure a clear work structure across all projects. Now, select the Details node and move to the primary wheels. Switch from log to primary color wheels, then add a contrast to your desired amount to give the footage a little punch. The FX we use in the middle node is available in both the free and the studio versions. Select the middle node, go to the FX library, type in color generator, drag and drop the color generator onto the gel node and then double click the color swatch. Before typing in the RGB values, I would like you all to download the Rosco color app so that we can replicate the desired gel color look. Browse the desired gel color you need for the project and click on Details. Then note down the RGB values. For this demo, let's use Rosco Amber Gold. Type in the values, hit OK and you'll see a solid wash of that gel. Now, right click on your gel node, go to composite mode and choose screen. The screen blend mode works by inverting the color values of both layers, multiplying them together, and then inverting the result again. This is exactly what is needed to create the gel look. Now that the gel is more intense, reduce its effect by decreasing the key output gain value to 0.050. Now, let's check the progress. This is before and this is after. There is one more value added step. Go to the FX library, type DCTL, then drag and drop it onto the last node. Click the drop down menu and select 6 vectors. 6 vectors is my own custom DCTL, which consists of 3 primary and 3 secondary colors, allowing us to add or subtract the colors to make the footage look more natural. I leave the link in the description so you can download the DCTL. Let's check the changes we made. First, start with the gel node and notice how subtle and clean the filter is. Our supporting node also plays a big role, as preserving shadows and highlights is crucial to creating this gel filter look. So, with 1 serial node and 3 parallels, you've unlocked endless gels for free inside Resolve, or even colors no gel pack ever offered. You can build them all. Finally, we are going to build it as a PowerGrade. To do that, open your gallery and create a PowerGrade album. Then right click the viewer and click grab still. Give it a name and it is ready. Whenever you create a new project, you can use it by simply dragging it onto a node. Also, you can change the RGB values anytime to your favorite gel look by simply typing the RGB values. I'll use your suggestions to build a free preset pack for the community. Don't forget to subscribe for more Resolve workflows, color breakdowns and visual storytelling tips. See you in the next one.